Yeah. Turn this nigga up, man. Since silent world. Because we're thinking about how we put the crash on this bitch. I crashed the shit like the Twin Towers. What's up, nigga? Don't call me Howard. Oh, no, nigga, I'm JB. Middle is pay me. Money, gold, don't give a damn. Walk in the room of the fucking rapper's realm. What you wanna do, nigga, is consider it. Damn, nigga, your bitch is illiterate. Listen a little bit, listen to me talk shit. When I got my pen and pad, nigga, you can handle it. I don't rap like I write. Samuel L. Jackson, long kiss, good night. Why?
Long kiss, good night. This about to be the fight. You can do it more than me. You know that I am about the good kid. I can spit it over and I get for one nigga, trigger. I'm messing up, so the nigga the heat. And stop playing, I'm a dog, you know that. Don't need to show 100 grand just to show that. Money over here, nigga, money over there, don't run bound. Got that money throwing there, yo.
He said he got a lot of money. On the microphone ain't nothing really funny. Check it out, right? It's going down tonight and everything's alright. The beat drop back. Check it out, put me in the game. I'm the fullback. Feeling kinda fit, nigga. 185, nigga trying to stay alive. Don't drink and drive. Well, maybe a little. Call me Samson, nigga, watch me kick this crypto. Any rapper get ate like a skipper. Call me Moni cause I stay in the middle of your best bitch. She's a lesbian. Give her back to you, that means she's a has-been. Guarantee had that bitch in the handstand. On the microphone, nigga like less bad.
Less bad, got the wristband. Young nigga finna do, about to expand. You really want to get it, man. Hit you with that hand, better than get that man. You know that I ain't the man. Yeah, shots out the SOD, shots out the YMCMB. You know who it be, this is GCB, WJB. Wild Bill, always on the microphone. Every day, you know we take it home and we get it on.
Started off X-Men Evolution. On the microphone, too much pollution. A fake MCs, pussy nigga wanna be. Feeling like they can rap because they smoking trees. You ain't rapping shit, you ain't talking shit. All your bitch ass niggas need to fucking quit. I'm from the old school, rapping since 94. Open up your front door, what you take me for? And when I step in, I'm there. Young nigga, I don't care, but I'm not that young though. Kick you in your fucking mouth with my down steel toe.
Dang, well that's still toe. Picture that would hurt. That's in me, guarantee I put you to the dirt. You will get hurt. I said that a couple times before. Best to me, that would be the day. You will have to go. Man, I'm flipping and I'm blowing and you already put it. I'm the beast, I'm a dog, I'm already sitting. I'm on the flip and I'm really freestyling. This ain't the right man, this is straight talent.
For real though, man, I gotta go, man. You know my style, boy, like Trojan. Swing from bomb to vine. I'm out of time. My words are twisting it up cause it's killing time. I'm feeling fine. I'm looking great. Make no mistake. Give me my cake. But nigga, hold the icing on the microphone with a left like Tyson.
Left like Tyson, not like Tyson. Not be twice homeboy, going twice in. Me and JB, homeboy, been preaching. Listen, when we speaking, we can get teaching. Young nigga eating, don't forget I bring it back. If you want it, you can get it. Do the nigga lean back. And that Glock make a nigga do the holy shake. I'm a dog, homeboy, just take a break.
Take a break, cause it's eye turn. Check it out, you will get burned. You be like, damn, that shit hurt. Two black niggas like men at work, trying to go to work with no smile. We serious, like right now. Give me my turn, give it his turn. Check it out, Glock 30 really burns. Damn, gone.